Hello friends, how are you all of you? I am Sheikh Muzaffar and I welcome you all in this today's beautiful session, which is difference between ordinary differential equation and partial differential equation and difference between ordinary derivative and partial derivative with example. I will be quickly moving into this session. Just stick with me for the entire session. Let's write ordinary differential equation. Ordinary differential equation and partial differential equation. Partial differential equation. So here in ordinary differential equation and partial differential equation. So if you compare these parts, ordinary differential equation ODE. Can I write ordinary differential equation and partial differential equation PDE? So here in this case, ordinary it contains only one dependent variable. Ordinary differential equation contains only one dependent variable. And partial differential equation contains only one dependent variable. And the second case its derivative, that means derivative of the dependent variable. Its derivative with respect to one independent variable. But in this case, in partial case, its derivative, that means derivative of the dependent variable. So here its derivative with respect to more than one independent variable. In both cases, if I take one example, then it is clear. क्या बताया हूँ? ऑर्डिनरी डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन कंटेन करेगा ओनली वन डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल, एक ही डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल कंटेन करेगा. पार्शियल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन भी एक ही डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल कंटेन करेगा और इसका डेरिवेटिव, जो डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल का डेरिवेटिव विद रिस्पेक्ट टू वन इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल और इट्स डेरिवेटिव विद रिस्पेक्ट टू मोर देन वन इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल. So if I take one example, then it is clear. So can I write, suppose y is a function of x, y depends on x, y is the dependent variable, x is the independent variable. So can I write, so y is the dependent variable and x is the independent variable. But in this case, if I take one ordinary differential equation, so can I write dy by dx plus x plus of y equals to 7, x plus y equals to 2. So let me verify. This equation contains only one dependent variable. Who is the dependent variable? So y. This equation contains only one dependent variable, y. So first case. The second case, its derivative with respect to one independent variable. So here check it. Its derivative ddx of y. Its derivative. That means derivative of the dependent variable with respect to x. So here its derivative with respect to one independent variable. So that's why this equation is known as ordinary differential equation. But in partial case, if you consider u is a function of x and y, so can I write u depends on x and y. So u is the dependent variable and x and y both are independent variable. If I take one example, then it is clear. So del 2u by two-dimensional Laplace equation, del 2u by del x square plus of del 2u by del y square equals to 0. So here all of you verify it. Here in both cases, u is the dependent variable. Partial differential equation, this is partial differential equation, contains only one dependent variable. Here u is the only one dependent variable and its derivative मैंने डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल का डेरिवेटिव किसका रेस्पेक्ट में है, x का रेस्पेक्ट में है और y का रेस्पेक्ट में है. So that's why you have told its derivative with respect to more than one independent variable. More than one independent variable. Here x and y both are independent variable. Then I will discuss what is the difference between ordinary derivative and partial derivative. Ordinary derivative, ordinary derivative, ordinary derivative, ordinary derivative and partial derivative. Ordinary derivative and partial derivative and partial derivative. If I take one example, then it is clear. Suppose if I take, suppose xy is the function, can I write? So taking differentiation with respect to x, ddx of xy. So this part becomes, first function is constant, differentiation of the second function. Differentiation of the second function plus second function is constant, differentiation of the first function. ddx of x, so it becomes 1. Finally we will get this part. But here in this case, you can write. So if I write del x of, suppose if you consider u equals to xy. So del u by del x, taking partial derivative with respect to x, both sides. Whenever you have to take the partial derivative with respect to x, there y as constant. But here in this case, xy both are variable. So here in this case, whenever you have to take the partial derivative with respect to x, y as constant. So that's why y into, so can I write del x of x? So finally, y into 1, so it becomes y. If I take the partial derivative with respect to y, so if you take the partial derivative with respect to y, x is constant. So x into del y of y, so it becomes 1. So finally, can I write del y of y? Del y of y, so this part becomes 1, x into 1, so that becomes x. Again we can write, if I take another example, suppose you can write ddx of x by y, ddx of x by y. So here the numerator part it becomes x and denominator part it becomes y. So y into ddx of x, y into ddx of x minus of y into x into dy by dx, ddx of y. Can I write this line? Whole divided by y square. So finally we will get y minus of x into dy by dx whole divided by y square. But in ordinary case, in partial case, suppose u equals to, if I write u equals to x by y. So taking partial derivative with respect to x, so del u by del x. If you take the partial derivative with respect to x, y as constant. So can I write 1 by y as constant? So del x of x, so it becomes 1. Del x of x, so it becomes 1. So finally we will write, so 1 by y. Again we can write taking partial derivative with respect to y. So here x is constant. Whenever you have to take the partial derivative with respect to y, x is constant. So x del y of 1 by y. So it will be x into del y of 1 by y, it becomes minus of 1 by y square. All of you know ddx of 1 by x, so it becomes minus of 1 by x square. So using this formula, so can I write ddx of or del x of x to the power n. So it becomes n into x to the power n minus of 1. I have used this formula. Again just check it another example. So suppose you can write ddx of x plus of y plus of x plus of y. So we can write again we can write suppose xy ddx of, can I write ddx of x plus y plus of xy plus of 7x plus of 9y plus of 5 plus of 5. So in this case, in ordinary case, so what is the differentiation? ddx of x, ddx of x, so it becomes 1. ddx of y, so it becomes dy by dx plus of, so here ddx of this term, first function is constant, differentiation of the second function plus of second function is constant, differentiation of the first function 1, y into 1, that means y, plus of ddx of 7x, so it becomes 7, ddx of 9y, so this becomes 9 into dy by dx, dy by dx, plus ddx of 5, so it becomes 0. In ordinary case, you must get this result. But if I take the partial case, in partial case, so can I write del x of, so can I write, suppose u equals to x plus of y plus of xy plus of 7x plus of 9y plus of 5. So taking partial derivative with respect to x, del u by del x. Whenever you have to take the partial derivative with respect to x, y as constant. So del x of x, so it becomes 1. Del x of y, so it becomes 0 plus of. So here in this case, y as constant. So y into del x of x, so it becomes 1. Y into 1 plus of del x of x, so it becomes 1. 7 into 1, so it becomes 7 plus 9 into del x of y, so that becomes 0 plus del x of constant term, so it becomes 0. Again, we can take the partial derivative with respect to y. Whenever we have to take the partial derivative with respect to y, x is constant. So here in this case, so can I write x is constant, x becomes 0 plus here in this case y, del y of y, so it becomes 1 plus of. So here in this case xy, x becomes constant, so x into 1 del y of y, so it becomes 1 plus of. Here x becomes constant, so in this case, so it becomes 0 plus of 9y del y of y, so it becomes 1, so it becomes 9 del y of constant term, so it becomes 0. This is all about today's video. I hope you enjoyed the session and like the tricks that I have shared in this video. So don't forget to share among your friends and don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe button and write whatever you need in the comment section, because if you do that, I will keep on working hard for all of you guys. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.